Welcome back. And when we left off with the Murphy 50 cal, we had this. Alright, so let me just take that on just a little bit better. Right here. And now we have this. And now for the handle. You would take a piece of paper and roll it all up. The handle is probably the coolest part. The hardest part is probably the stock. And I'm gonna make part 3. We're making 2 of these, so make it quite small. We're not making 2, we're just going to cut this one in half. So make it pretty skinny. As skinny as you can. Unless you want it bigger. It's big handles, that's fine. I don't care the crap. So we will hold it like that. So just that much is showing. And make a cut at an angle. And get the same thing. Line it up and cut. So we have this. And take the actual body. And say about right here. Put some tape on it and tape it up. Tape it up. And tape these 2 together first. Hold up, something's wrong here. What the crap? Huh. I want them too long. Way too long. That's alright, so anyway, I will cut it. Wrong hand. That's weird. That's like freaky. Alright, so tape it up. It up and hold it about right there and tape it on. Tape it on pretty good. This is our handle again. If you're stupid enough to not know, please. So right here, and tape it. That's good. And now, so as you can see, we'll be holding it like this. Pretty much dead on now, except for the handle. Handle needs to be a little bit more slanted, but man, whatever. And so now I have this. Take another piece of paper, roll it up long ways. Crap, I taped my own hair to it. And put it, cut it around right here. So I have this. And then cut it slanted like that, and put it like that on the handle, and you will tape it on. And so now you have this. Take the other part of the tube, measure it, cut it about right here, and put it right there, and tape it on. It on. So now we have our grips. So it's like that. And put your hand in there. Nope. And let me see my time. 7:14. I'm doing good. And so our clip is gonna go right here. And get another piece of paper. And roll it up. Roll it up. Like that. And this piece of paper is going to be our stock. This one's a little bit better because I put more time and effort into it, but this one is going to be okay. You can make yours better. I don't really care. It's your choice. And save it. And so you have this. And cut it about right here. So I have like 4 inches. I don't really care. And cut it at just a little bit of an angle. Like that. And put it on right here. And save it. You want to make this pretty sturdy. So short and really sturdy. Because this is your stock, which you're going to be resting your weight on. And cut this part at an angle like that. And put it right there. And so you cut it pretty short, like, well, that. Pretty short, stubby.